Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Thursday, April 17th, and the market defines logic. Merrill's numbers come out, everything's bad, worse than expected earnings, billions write-off, firing 10%, stock closes up 4%. Google's earnings come out after the close, they're blown away. The stock is trading up $90 after the close. I want to make a comparison between that chart, that Google chart, and some other chart we've been looking at for the last couple of weeks. I'm going to do that in our final segment. I've got a lot of interesting things to show you in our final segment when we do that market review. So hang around. That's going to be the most important, most interesting part of the video tonight. But as always, I got another idea for you tomorrow. And we had some winners and losers. As a matter of fact, I had 9 of them. And I'm not going to go through each one of them. They take too long. I've already got them posted on my web. You saw as I was covering the prices. I've got everything listed, how much we made, how much we lost, all on my site. I will say this. We closed at 9, 7 winners, 1 push, 1 loser. We didn't get rich, but we made a few bucks. And the reason why I cover them up is because in the last day or so I've become so positive about the market that I only want to focus on one side, and that's the long side of the market. So that was my basic thinking, and I thought with Merrill news out this morning that those shorts would come my way real easy, and then they didn't. So another reason to cover them up. Anyway, let's get to our pick of the day tomorrow, and that's Micron Technologies. MU is the symbol. So in just a moment, we're going to take a look at this chart. I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Now, don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of MU, and this is a call on the long side. We're looking to buy this stock tomorrow somewhere between 7 and 7.20. That's ideal, but tomorrow morning is not going to be an ideal morning to buy. There's probably going to be some sort of a buying frenzy going on. I'm going to wait till 2 o'clock in the afternoon for the 2 o'clock sell-off to see if I can't get a more reasonable price. I'm not going to chase this tomorrow. But you know, you guys do whatever you want. But anyway, I've got a target here of 1080, and let me show you what I see. See, great double bottom here. It's perfect. And if I turn it into a weekly chart, you can even see it better. What's good about this double bottom is you always need it has to look like a goalpost where you can kick a football through it. That's a really good double bottom when you can do that. And they have to be symmetrical. Back to a 1 day. Okay, so like I said, ideally to buy it right in here, but I just don't think you're going to get that chance tomorrow. I didn't know these earnings were going to come out when I picked this stock, but I'm sticking with the stock because I don't think you'll be able to buy any stock tomorrow morning reasonable. Okay, so let me recap this. This is Micron Technologies. The symbol is MU. It's a call on the long side, and we think we can make $3.60 in it. Let's take a look at yesterday's purchase, Hoku Scientific, and I bought it twice. I bought it once at 9.20, and then I waited, and it came in a little bit. And I bought some more at 9.15. So I have an average cost like around 9.18, and the chart's shaping up great. Look at this rising wedge already we've got going in here. Now here are the key spots in this stock. I need to point this out so everyone knows ahead of time. This is the ideal spot to buy this, right in here. I don't think you're going to get a chance because it already got there once. I don't think it's going to revisit. But if it does, it's a buying opportunity. It's not a, oh, what's going on? Is it okay? It's fine. This is a breakout, pullback, and the next move is another breakout above this. And if it should come back down into this again, then this becomes support. So that's our Hoku. We'll put that in our portfolio, and I think this is going to pay off within a week or so. That's my guess, but we'll see, because the market's starting to get on fire. Okay, so now you have Micron. That's our new idea, and we have Hoku, which was yesterday's idea. Now I want to run through the major indexes. I got some very interesting stuff to show you. Hang around. This is the good part, I think. Okay, we're back to our Dow Jones averages, okay? And now I know why the market had to pull back this one more time, because it's perfect. You see these two bottoms on this side of the head, on the left shoulder? Boom, boom. How about them matching up with this almost perfectly? Is that unbelievable? Anyway, there's your picture. And there's our resistance. And I think there's a good chance tomorrow we're going to get through, because I got lots of evidence around to show you. And then once we get through this, then this whole thing will be our support area. Now this is interesting. You know, I've never referred to this downtrend as a bear market like a lot of guys did, because I just thought it was just a severe pullback. And I'm going to show you something now. I'm going to show you a quarterly chart of the Dow Jones going back from the beginning. Now, if you're a believer in the breakout pullback go scenario, this is perfect. This is the top in 2000 before the dot-com crack. This is the dot-com bubble break. And then the market recovered, made new high. And all we're getting now is a pullback and an ongoing uptrend, and it's right back to its support area. And it stopped almost dead there. And now it's going to work its way back up, maybe even make a new high. Now, can anybody see where the 87 crash was here? Let me point this 87 crash out for you. Everything was going to melt down. It was the end of the world. Everyone was going broke. The system was going to melt down, and it was the end of America. There it is right there. It's got a blip on the radar, just to give you a little perspective as to how things look. It's just a different look at things. Okay, I'm going to turn this back into a one-day chart. Remember where this line is, okay? There it is, down there, right at the bottom. Okay, so interesting stuff, I think. Let's take a look at the QQ. Let's take a look at the transports, because they're always the leader. They're always the leader. Now, I don't know if anybody was watching me back when, but I was pointing out this reverse head and shoulders in the transport. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head. I told everybody it's a bullish formation. Breakout, pullback. Breakout, pullback. Breakout. The transports are the leading indicator of all the indexes. That's why you need to watch them. If the market's going down, these will go down first ahead of everything. If the market's going up, they go up ahead of everything. Dow Jones Transports, all good technicians, watch it. QQQQs, head, breakout, pullback, and doesn't take a genius to figure out what's going to happen next. But here's the interesting thing I want to show you. You see this? The bottom, the breakout, the pullback, the breakout, the pullback. I want to show you Google's chart. Keep that picture in your mind now. Here's Google. Here's the bottom. Breakout, pullback. Breakout, pullback. Google is now trading here after hours at 523. So there's so much evidence around that these markets are going to break out to the upside that it's just unbelievable. Okay, so anyway, I'm running out of time. Listen, this weekend we're going to do another question and answer period. So if you have a question about anything you think I might be able to answer, send them in to me, and we're going to do it on the weekend wrap-up over the weekend. And so that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.